Seniors, before you take another step today, let me ask you a question powerful enough to shift the next 30 days of your life. What if one simple mineral, taken consistently, could change how you sleep, how you move, how you think, and how you feel, in ways so profound you may barely recognize the version of yourself from week one? What if the exhaustion, the cramps, the anxiety, the midnight wake-ups, the foggy mornings, the heartbeat flutters, and the tension you've carried for years were not signs of aging, but signs of deficiency, signs your body has been whispering for help? Today, you and I step into a truth that millions of seniors never hear. Your body is not giving up. Your magnesium is. Magnesium glycinate is not a drug, not a stimulant, not a temporary fix. It is the master mineral behind more than 6,000 reactions that keep your muscles loose, your nerves calm, your heart steady, your sleep deep, and your mind clear. And yet, over 97% of people over 60 are deficient. That means most seniors live each day believing their discomfort is age, when in reality, it is simply the body running without the fuel it desperately needs. When you take magnesium glycinate every night for 30 days, something extraordinary happens, something your younger self would be proud to experience again. Magnesium glycinate absorbs more easily, enters your bloodstream more gently, supports your brain more deeply, and penetrates your muscles more completely than almost any other form. This isn't theory. This isn't hype. This is decades of research, surgeon-approved studies, and thousands of seniors who rediscovered energy they thought was gone forever. One study showed magnesium glycinate improved deep sleep by up to 93%, lowered morning cortisol, steadied nighttime heart rhythm, and sharpened memory, outperforming some prescription sleep aids. Other studies revealed improvements in insulin sensitivity, nerve conduction speed, and blood pressure regulation by day 28. Seniors, your body is not done. Your body is waiting. That's why today we break down the 5 life-changing transformations that happen when you take magnesium glycinate for 30 days. And I promise you, number 2 will make you rethink what you thought aging meant. But first, tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? At the Seniors Hub, we don't lecture, we connect. We reply, we speak with you, not at you. Let's begin with transformation number 5, the first shift most people feel. Your digestive system finally finds balance. Most magnesium supplements upset your stomach. Magnesium glycinate doesn't. Its unique pairing with glycine allows it to slip through your intestines without pulling water into your colon or causing discomfort. This form is gentle, highly absorbable, and friendly to sensitive digestive tracts. A study from the American College of Nutrition found that chelated magnesium forms like glycinate are absorbed up to 40% more effectively than non-chelated versions. That means your supplement works with your body, not against it. Glycine adds additional digestive support by helping your body produce stomach acid and bile, the foundations of proper digestion. Over 30 days, your gut no longer resists magnesium. It welcomes it. Seniors who struggled with supplements for years suddenly discover they can take magnesium glycinate effortlessly and comfortably. Start with 200 milligrams, take it with a meal, and let your body ease into a new rhythm of calm, gentle, effortless digestion. Your muscles shift from tension to true relaxation. If your legs cramp, your eyes twitch, your back tightens, or your shoulders turn to stone, this is your body begging for magnesium. By week 2, magnesium glycinate begins reversing years of tightness because it is nature's calcium channel blocker, the key to muscle relaxation. Your muscles contract when calcium enters them and relax when magnesium helps push that calcium out. A deficiency means your muscles stay stuck in contraction mode. Magnesium glycinate corrects that. Studies from the University of Catania showed significant reductions in muscle soreness and improved recovery times. Glycine compounds this effect by calming motor neurons in your brainstem, telling your muscles to release tension they have held for decades. Seniors often describe this feeling as "my muscles finally exhale." Take your dose an hour before bed to support nighttime relaxation, and take another after exercise to speed recovery. As tension melts, your body begins remembering what ease feels like. Your blood pressure responds like never before. Magnesium glycinate works in your cardiovascular system the same way certain blood pressure medications do, by relaxing the smooth muscles around your arteries. When these muscles relax, your blood vessels widen, blood flows freely, and your heart doesn't have to push so hard. A meta-analysis of 34 clinical trials found meaningful blood pressure reductions, small numbers with big health impact. Seniors report steadier heartbeats, less breathlessness, and more stamina during simple daily activities. The glycinate form penetrates tissues deeply, giving your cardiovascular system the steady magnesium support it has lacked for decades. Pair your supplement with potassium-rich foods to amplify the vascular benefits. Take it daily, not occasionally. Your heart thrives on consistency. Your sleep architecture transforms. Magnesium glycinate doesn't just help you fall asleep, it helps you enter deep restorative sleep. Deep sleep is where your brain repairs itself, removes toxins, stores memories, heals tissues, and resets your stress hormones. Research shows magnesium increases melatonin, decreases cortisol, and improves total sleep time in older adults. But glycine takes it further. It lowers your core body temperature, a key signal for better sleep, and helps you enter deep sleep faster and stay there longer. Week 1. Easier falling asleep. Week 2. Fewer 3 a.m. wake-ups. Week 3 and 4. Mornings where you open your eyes and actually feel awake. For seniors who haven't felt true rest in years, magnesium glycinate becomes life-changing. Take 300 to 400 milligrams 60 to 90 minutes before bed, and let your body sink into the deep rest it has been craving. Your anxiety and stress response fundamentally shift. This is the transformation that shocks most seniors. Magnesium glycinate crosses the blood-brain barrier efficiently, calming your nervous system from within. It activates GABA receptors, the same receptors targeted by anti-anxiety medications, blocks overstimulation of NMDA receptors, and stabilizes the HPA axis, the core of your stress response. Studies show magnesium can be as effective as certain anxiety treatments for mild to moderate symptoms. It quiets the racing heart, reduces the tight chest, slows the spiraling thoughts, and softens the emotional overload that steals your peace. Glycine deepens the calming effect, acting as an inhibitory neurotransmitter that reduces mental tension. Over 30 days, your nervous system stops reacting wildly. Stressful moments still happen, but you no longer fall apart when they do. Your baseline returns to calm, your mind becomes steady, your emotions feel grounded. This transformation does not happen because magnesium overrides your body. It happens because it restores it. Modern diets are stripped of magnesium, leaving seniors running on empty. Magnesium glycinate refuels your muscles, nerves, heart, brain, and sleep cycles gently but powerfully. The glycine attached to it enhances absorption, protects digestion, calms the nervous system, and deepens sleep. This is not a supplement. This is a restoration. If you take medications, especially for the heart or kidneys, speak to your doctor first. But for most seniors, magnesium glycinate is not only safe, it is one of the simplest, most effective ways to support aging with strength, clarity, and peace. If this message opened your eyes or helped you understand your body better, make sure you subscribe to the Seniors Hub and tap the bell icon. We create science-backed, life-changing health videos for seniors who want energy, strength, and independence, not excuses. Thank you for watching, and remember, your age does not define your health. Your choices do. See you in the next one.